What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we are taking a look at the Brezzano Elite series from ecozy. This is a 4-in-1 espresso machine and coffee maker combo with milk frother and all-in-one cold brew over ice. So it has an interactive touchscreen and works for cappuccinos, lattes, americanos, basically anything you want to make because it is so widely ranged and diverse in what it can actually do. So we're gonna scroll through the site here and take a look at some of the specs and do an unboxing and take a look at what this actually looks like. All right, so let's go ahead and start off with the unboxing here. We're going to do a combination of top and side cams because this is a big boy. It's going to take up quite a bit of space, so you might not be able to see it from one. Don't worry, we got plenty of cameras to switch to here. Let's see what this looks like. Another box. All right, so here's the actual Brezzano Elite box. We can see here it has the espresso, Americano, cold brew, and chilled over ice settings, which I'm actually interested in seeing what that does. Does this cool things or what's going on here? So let's find out. So let's go ahead and open this up. We've got our quick start guide that shows how to use the control panel. I'll go ahead and show you guys on the camera what that looks like. All right, so we've got a few tools here, as well as the actual handle and lid to place your coffee in, or your grounds in. I have this plugged in, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. And you can see there, it has a really nice looking screen. Let me actually grab my phone to record some of this for you guys. All right, so you can see there we have the 1 or 2 cup espresso, coffee and rich lungo classic, cold brew in 1 or 2 cup. We have over ice and we have steamed. We also have the temperature display. Now, obviously this is a faux color display, but because the icons are behind it, it works really, really well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what happens if I tap on some of these. You can see that the icons do change, and we can choose what kinds of coffee, so rich, lungo, or classic. We can choose different types of cold brews, 1 or 2 cup. And you can see the coffee sizes and ground sizing is actually shown here. So you don't have to remember how to actually make all these. It'll actually show you how much it needs. Very, very clean design from ecozy, and I can't wait to try this out. Let's go ahead and turn this around. I almost said scroll. Let's go ahead and turn this around here so you can see the back. This is the water reservoir with plenty of space for at least a family's worth of coffee, I'd say. And if we look down here, we do have the 2 different spouts. So if we scroll down, we can see on the Amazon site all the different brewing tips. We have the grind degrees, how many grounds we need to add depending on the type of coffee it is. For the home baristas, the milk steaming is really, really cool because you get to do the latte art and all that fun stuff from home. And even though it's a commercial grade espresso machine, it has all the original self-cleaning stuff you'd expect from a consumer level device, and it can simply be run in self-cleaning mode to get it all nice and clean. So as long as you run that on a regular basis, maybe once a week, once a month, ensure that you're cleaning the device after use, this is going to last you a very long time. So we're going to try this out and see if it can make a solid cup of coffee. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.